That thing is hanging on a transformer up there, and it came from about 90 yards away, right over here, and is hanging on that transformer and flopping down on that greenhouse. It's flopping all around.
Got them strawberries going on.
Got a strawberry up there on it. Look at it. No! I bet that went through the house right there. It just threw the strawberry. It's the first wind damage of the storm of April 2013. The great storm. What, tornado? What is it gonna be?
Yeah, I don't know. It might be a tornado.
Oh, it's gonna be a tornado?
It might be a tornado.
It's gonna be one of them. Oh, Jesus.
One of them are tornadoes.
The wind done swooped down, took our cover from our plants over here, throwed it up on that transformer over yonder. I'm being told by my boss we got to water now.